Recently, the Ministry of Home Affairs had cancelled the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act (FCRA) registration of the Center for the Policy Research. The reason cited was that the institution had published the report on the current affair program, which is the violation of FCRA. Now, what is FCRA? This law was enacted in 1976 during emergency, doubting the foreign powers interfering in Indian affairs through these funds. The Ministry of Home Affairs is responsible for making any regulations to FCRA. It will closely monitor the foreign contribution to any individual or firms or NGOs who registered under FCRA. The one who receives the funds were monitored so that they are consistent with the values of a sovereign democratic republic of Bharat. Now, talking about the significance of FCRA. It makes sure that the utilization of the foreign funds are for the legitimate purpose, even preventing activities that are detrimental to the national interest, as well as maintaining transparency and accountability. Thank you.